Apeda kala penlong ika Bharat Agri Conclave bat ka international buyer seller meets anong ba shulong mentakasni. Palat nyu pungut kinong tin na India, kad artli kiri kata na Uganda, Ghana, Indonesia, Greece, Kuwait, Oman, Vietnam, Nepal, Bangladesh, Singapore, Kenya, bat ka United Arab Emirates kila shimbentah hagani kasni. Hagani kasni la shimbentaro da kis pan remote ki FPO lan ki FPC ki seng trilang bat ki kenhun pen mikmar. Ka Agricultural and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority harangkat katan rep bat kinong rep jong ka sarkar jela kila pelong ika jingilang ka pisni jong ka Bharat Agri Conclave kom international buyer seller meets hanong ba shilong hakan drituri kunaitung arjar pusau katong bakmade jong ka jingilang kalong pan kintiu ki marrep hakaten cetilam ini kamtam ki baname kalia ya kan ka jingilang lapli pajba da ka doktor Mazel Amparilengdo ka menteri badan burom katanat karep karyang ka sarkar Meghalaya harangkat Dr. ka Meghalaya Baruchuri Abhishek Dev IAS chairman ka Apeda. Kato kanengut ki he officer na Apeda kiwi ki sarkar pedang berkumjuru ki sarkar jela. Ki he sarkar ki lapen internet ya kajing lekemen ka balapen mi ki jing mi ka ba mentoi ha ka balapen long ka jing dei hapdang kinong thiet bat kinong di. Ka menteri badan burom ka Dr. Amparilengdo ha kajing keren jongka ha ka Bharat Agri Conclave ka lapen pau jing sungu ya ka Apeda nak pentah ki jing temu jongka ban kentiu ka rep karyang jongka jela Meghalaya da ka baong ka ai ka jing kermen ka bakraw mi. Kelaban juri ke jingla ka bakraw jong ka jela hakaba ai ban no senyang ki marrep syakayo ka hat apo kari bat haka perthei u Dr. Vijay Kumar Dev u commissioner bat usketri ka tanat rep bat ka bha kamya jong kinong rep jong ka sarkar Meghalaya ulai yesa mi jing yetu kana jong ka jing job ka banengkong jong ka jing salan nengkong yo so khasi mandarin bat uso jeu sha middle east ulla patai ka jing temu jong sarkar jela ban penhe shushu yakum kini jing temu jong ka jing salan ki marrep nakari syakiyo perthei ban kentiu yo ka kwat jong kinong rep Ushri Abhishek Dev u chairman ka Apeda ha jingkeren ju la banjur halor ka jingla bansalan marrep nak jela Meghalaya Shabari la kedawru ki jingtemu baper ban penbon ki jing salan ki marrep nak jela berkumjuru ka jingtemu ha ban pensuk ya gorkom ai jing bit ki marrep balla berap susu bak Apeda ka pen state ki jing ai jing bit ban ki wi pat ki genhun ai jing bit khamtam nak than chate la mingi nak benta kajing mentoi jong kinong rep haka than ka buyer seller meets bala penlong kerpang ha Meghalaya kala ailat ya ki nong penmi bat ki nong pen kre jong ka jela Meghalaya ban pen i ki marrep jong ki sya kinong thiet na ka perthei bat na pori kinong thiet na ki ker artli kiri kata Uganda Ghana Indonesia Greece Kuwait Oman Vietnam Nepal Bangladesh Singapore Kenya bat United Arab Emirates kila shimpatat shirhem pani kendu bat kinong shalan Shabari haka Bharat Agri Conclave kom international buyer seller meets Hashilong Meghalaya palat sabhuingut kinong shalan Mar Shabari hakaleng kari bat sispan rimut ki FPO lan ki FPC ki cooperative society bat kiwi ki kenhun penmi nak jela kila shimpatra hakane jingelang lai i ba ya kajing pen i ki jaj marrep ki babun jaj ki bakun thup ki so bat ki juhur ki batamai ki belas nada ki organik ki jing bam balapan kre kumu so jeu lakadong kangap mariang utais ba yubi ki so bat kiwi kane ka jingelang kal thumu pen so ki nong penmi bat ki nong pen kre ka jela Meghalaya bat ki nong thiet na India bat na baru kane ka jing thumu la kmi lenti bakan penyari kan rim jongka jing shalan Mar Shabari jongka North Eastern region dak ba pen kiu ya ka yo ka kot jong kinong rep bat pen state ya ka jing roi baro ka wei haka than bat pen pau perthei jing thumu jongka halor ka North Eastern region ka Apeda haune usnem kalamang tengka bakan penlong susu yukum kini ki jajing yalang Arunachal Pradesh Sikkim Assam bat Bodoland Territorial Council
to a large extent to Apeda. In fact, prior to Apeda's assistance to the state of Meghalaya, farming was still very disorganized, market concepts were still very poor. But like every other willing learner, the state of Meghalaya is now poised to learn, to make sure that we master what we have learned. At the same time, we maintain the uniqueness of our producers and our products. Today, the Lakadong turmeric is internationally renowned. Unfortunately, buyers have the habit of taking advantage of our simple farmers and sell the produce without their knowledge and also dilute the uniqueness of our Lakadong producers. So now we as a state are seriously attending to the concerns of essential GI tagging to give the uniqueness of our producers in the markets its own market and shelf. Therefore, we will take cognizance of this unfair intrusion into our markets and unfair use of our producers and our tags in various markets without proper procedures and processing. Thank you, Apeda, for being there for us. This is an important meet, and today we welcome dignitaries from all across the region, international as well as national. Welcome to this beautiful state of Meghalaya. You'll see so much rain that you've never seen in your life. But there's beauty in that rain. There's a story and a narrative in that rain. And I hope that each of you will take back those positive stories to your countries, your nations, your markets. Officers have already told you what Meghalaya can do. As a minister, and on behalf of the Honourable Chief Minister of my state, Mr. Conrad Sangma, I extend you all a welcome. And I welcome you to this opportunity of great interactions, of buying and selling. Our producers are unique. Sometimes when you talk about the quantum of production, that many lakh tons and whatever tons you're talking about, I was just telling I was telling Mr. Abhishek sitting next to me, some of the producers in this world are so unique and so little in their product that it is that makes them unique. So we do not believe that farmers need to go into huge large-scale productions for this market that is there for us, but we would like to see that our producers continue to have their uniqueness and their quality in markets across the world. Khasi mandarin, our local indigenous fruits, we have something called the soyong, the sok plum. I don't know how many of you actually tasted some of these beautiful, unique fruits that we have with not just uniqueness in their production, but also nutritiously important for various ailments that plague the modern generation. Still a greenhouse that can be explored, and I'm so grateful to our officers. Every time I take a trip to various parts of my state, I feel that sense of joy that farmers today are actually understanding what we're talking about. At one point in time, farmers thought that we were distantly dislocated from them because they didn't feel this gravity of farming as a potential industry in the state of Meghalaya. But let me tell you, our farmers have become smart, and I'm happy that I'm representing them in this market, in this need, or any other need. And we will continue to work on behalf of the farmers of the state of Meghalaya. Farmers are simple people, but they have great knowledge. They have a technique of farming which is unique only to them. And that is what makes our farmers stand apart. Some of the producers that come from their fields have this freshness, which I think is a rare, unique selling quality of our producers. And we will continue to work hard. We look forward to lab certification. A lot of our producers need lab certification, and I'm happy that Apeda once again has invited us to invite our officers from our labs to have a long discussion with them so that we can actually be there and make sure that farmers feel this increase in their livelihoods.